to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, kiss muna, kiss muna, kiss mo. Happy birthday, Mare. Wishing you all the luck. I love you. Magkikita tayo, ha? Uwi ka na. Miss you all.
Happy birthday, Mars. Wishing you good health, good wealth, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Feli. Love you and we miss you. Hi, Nina!
Happy birthday, Tita Feli!
Isipin mo, palagi tayong bata, ah. Okay, last mo ko na. Thank you very much, Mare. Last mo ko na sa
Monday.
Monday. Nag-graduate na ako. Congrats me, ha. Palagi niyo akong pinipray. I love you all. Wish you all the regards to all. I love you. Last, happy birthday, Mare.
Kumusta rin sa inyong lahat dyan, sa buong pamilya nyo. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Ayun. Sana palagi kayong masaya.
Number 1 yun. Palaging nasa center ang Panginoon. Okay.
Biancs,
Bianca.
batiin mo si Nina, malapit na yung birthday.
Oo, beautiful.
Tapos na yung birthday niya. Happy birthday. Belated happy birthday, Nina.
Ikaw din, malapit na rin ang birthday mo. 19 ang birthday ni Bianca. Magkasama kayo pala, Mare. 19 ang birthday ni Bianca.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Minesa.
Happy birthday, Tita Feli! I wish you all the best. I wish you all the luck and happiness in this world. And may God bless you always and we love you. Thank you po.
I love you, Mare. I love you. Happy birthday.